feel the streets spreading so much cheer.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashada and this is Rashoda's Reality. If you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing. And if you're already subscribing, then welcome back. Y'all, we are back with another haul. So this is another weekly haul. I'm going to split it up instead of doing it by the month. So this is our second haul, I think. But yeah, let's get into it, y'all. Let me show y'all what we got for this week. Okay, y'all, so we got 2 packs of wings. We have 2 packs of ground beef. We have 2-pound ground beef. And a 4.5 pound ground beef. And then we have tilapia. We have Fiesta blend cheese. This was just put in my bag. I did not order this, but it's personalized 4-cheese pizza. And then we have Texas Pete hot sauce, Louisiana hot sauce. We have original barbecue sauce and honey barbecue sauce, garlic parmesan wing sauce. And this is my favorite, y'all. Well, everybody's favorite in the house, Asian style sweet chili wing sauce. This is so good. We have Welch's sparkling white grape juice. We're making tacos tonight, so we got taco kit. We have 2 salsas. This is the chunky salsa. We love chunky salsa. We have pico de gallo. We have guacamole. Back over here we have a lime. I'm going to make a juice with this sparkling water, and I have a pineapple to make also a drink with it. We have lettuce to go, 2 packs of lettuce to go inside of the taco kit. And then I ordered some things for Christmas as well. We're making macaroni and cheese balls, so I'm going to use these for the macaroni and cheese balls for the looks. And then this is just for the wheat macaroni and cheese, the shell kind. Okay, we got flour tortillas, Jiffy cornbread mix. We have some meatballs for Christmas. We got 2 things of butter, 2 things of fish fry. We have strawberries, funfetti cake mix, and the strawberry frosting. This is the mermaid kind. That's for my baby. Her birthday is in January. That's for my baby. Her birthday is in January. And then we got some plain breadcrumbs to make the meatballs with. Okay, y'all. That's it for today's haul. I'm going to put up on the screen how much this haul costs. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog today. Happy Vlogmas Day 13. And I hope you have a good day. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what you think I should add to my next grocery haul list. What y'all think we should try out next. Alright, so see y'all later. Bye.
Black girl, if you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you JP, my neck, my back,
So butter rip brown.
my neck, my back, my back, my back, my neck, my back,
So butter rip